In this video, we're going to evaluate the integral x plus 2 over the square root of 4 minus x squared. You want to give this a try? Go ahead and pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, let's look at this. Possible you could use a trig substitution. I didn't try it. You might want to do it. See what you can do with that. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to break this up into two integrals. This will be the integral of x over the square root 4 minus x squared dx, and then it'll be plus 2 over the same radical. I'll go ahead and put the 2 out in front outside the integral here, and this will just be a 1, or dx if you want, over the square root of 4 minus x squared. And notice the radicand here, 4 minus x squared, the derivative is minus 2x. You have the x dx, so that tells me that I can use a standard U-substitution. So I'll let u equal to 4 minus x squared. Then du would equal to the derivative of 4 minus x squared, and that would be derivative 4 is 0, so it's going to be minus 2x dx. Dividing both sides by negative 2, I have du over a negative 2, I'll put the minus out in front here, is equal to x dx. So this is going to equal to the integral, and again x dx will be replaced by minus du over 2, so I just put du over 2 and I'll put it out in front. This will be a minus 1/2 here, and it's the square root of 4 minus x squared, so that'll be u to the 1/2, and I'll put it up here with a negative, so instead of u to 1/2 in the denominator, I write it up here with a negative exponent of negative 1/2. So that's easy to integrate now in terms of u. And then on the next one, with the 2 on here, and here I have dx. So I could look at this as x. I could replace the x by u. This would be 1 over the square root of 4 minus u squared. I let u equal to x. U would be dx, so this is just the integral of 1 over 4 minus x squared. If you want, du over the square root of 4 minus u squared. So that has an integral of sine inverse, or arc sine. We write it as arc sine. So it'd be arc sine of u over a. Here the a is 2 squared. In other words, in the form, it's integral in the form square root in the denominator, a squared minus u squared. And the value of that, the integral, would be arc sine of u over a. So in our case, u would be x, and a would be 2, plus your constant of integration. You got that? And on this one over here, we simply add 1 to the minus 1/2, and we get 1/2, so we get a 1/2 there. And then divide the coefficient of that by 1/2. That'd be a negative 1, or just a negative, plus, so we get 2 arc sine of x over 2, plus your constant of integration. And then all I have to do now is replace the u by 4 minus x squared. So let me just rewrite this. Instead of writing the whole thing over, I'll just rewrite this here. And this is actually just going to be the square root and u was 4 minus x squared. And that's your final answer for this one. So we got minus the square root of 4 minus x squared plus 2 arcsine of x over 2 plus the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.